unfortunately I wasted almost $60 in paint. It is awful. Look at that. It looks like a green screen. So it goes from this minty green to this.
In the fall of 2021, our family moved to Eastern Tennessee to get a fresh start after COVID. We moved here with the dream of making this area our permanent home. After buying a 70-year-old house, we started a channel, The Gospel of Eve. The purpose of the channel is to show that anyone can rebuild their life with a bit of patience, some elbow grease, and lots of love from your family. Follow us by subscribing as we realize our dream by renovating our new 1952 home together.
I got myself a couple of small pieces of the paint, and I'm gonna go actually try to either find one that matches exactly or as close to exactly as possible, and one that could be maybe a darker color, make it a dual tone. Got the paint, and it is a lot closer. So it's time to get into the room and make these two walls match. Bad match. I went to Lowe's and went to Valspar paint, and it's not quite dry, so there's a little bit of a difference, but it actually does really well. little bit too cold for me to go ahead and do anything that I need to do outside. Is been in the teens right now, and some of what I need to do is digging, and anyway, the ground is frozen, but I'm in the quest to continue to finish a bunch of details around the house, because most likely we'll be either renting it or selling it here in the next few months. So I want to make sure that all that stuff is done. Having said that, a couple of things that I've never done and I need to start working on today are the closets a little bit, the hallway closets. So I need to empty some of these things, but as you can see, this is what the old floor looked like, and I kind of finished right there, and I need to sand this, and there's another closet in the front that is essentially the same thing. Putting this product down, which I have used for the whole floor, and taped the sections off. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is give it obviously time that it needs. I actually think it needs 24 hours, but I need to put more layers than one, so I need to wait a little bit and do the second layer. And I'm not going to do more than that because it's a closet. There's no traffic inside a tiny closet. So anyway, that's where I am, and I'm going to go and do the other one and be done with this. All right, guys, everything is done. Let me turn on the light. Still need to give it a bit of time to dry, but it's done. As you can see, it matches really well the outside. Oh, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Be blessed.